Ashafo amoshe ya mama jo kontonchi media Mampong Akuapem ne won live na anyimre we mbasa mi chem bibi o Mampong na name yas eni krom na special thanks to nipa no hu ya offer me se kontonchi bra be hwa de na sa de hu be hia pa na Mampong so ye hu say yes there are things going on in Mampong the match follow me na yenko ne yenko hwe what is going on. Yes, Mampong ya wono nti follow me yeah mon say Mom, maybe I'm Mampong for you. And now we are here. Yes, we are here. Chris Ceramics Works. Now what the we franchise. Hey. Cameraman, you are inside the uncle. You are inside the uncle. What's up?
Akuapem.
Oh yeah. Matty baby. Hey, you know I see it. Cameraman, bra. Now, what's up?
Okay.
Oh yeah, ceramics.
Yes, man.
Okay, apart from pottery and pottery iron, is there anything you are with clay the sign you?
Okay. So, apart from pottery, no?
Yes.
It's maybe nipa. It's maybe mother nipa.
Hey.
Yeah, it's maybe okay. Bibia.
Clay to me, be out to me. Enti, utumi. I'm going to go them. Utumi the clay nipa. Utumi the jatan yesa. Near man, Mbacho, true them one year. They tried the opposite table. No, so wait, wasn't where that?
Okay, where beats like me base chain
Out of clay.
Okay.
Ain't way so we are bending. Whoa!
Yeah, ceramic.
Show. Out of clay, wavy.
Yeah.
Ain't it? Remember, so how would it transform from this state to this state?
Okay, nice question. Okay, so may I start the process?
Okay, yes, start it.
Okay. I am one thing I start the process. Okay. So this is the raw clay.
Okay. And when you win?
Mina, if you come higher.
If you come higher. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Raw cleaning.
Okay.
After. So clean over.
Okay.
Yeah, a day or two. Now clean over a mirror.
Okay.
Nam de mensa enum. Just to get clay slip. Our clay slip.
Oh, okay.
Let me see.
Okay.
Let me see. Yeah.
End result in the same.
Yeah. Now, a chihuahua.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're mentioning now, and
so shallow pit. And Chebiana meeting. So shallow pit. Nama beshi egum.
Near
Fine
one. Who baby she
egum.
Okay.
Nah, true nature no. Air and sun no. A dry na mami.
So meaning say after getting the smooth one, you also need to dry it again back to its dry state.
Yes.
Nice.
Its dry state.
Okay.
Back to its workable state.
Okay. Okay. What? That's the right word. Workable state.
Workable state.
Okay.
So this. Yeah. So.
Bachabra. Show. This is the raw state. Inti after say was soaking for 2 days na area what they have process ma wa hata area no. Efe say na be ye na show you smooth papa. Say we wan share na wa fa bia betimi dia bonkwan ma di o. Inti we are here to learn. And I'm pacho mon share school for no so ambele musian. Mon so ambele mo be order na mamra me order. Very necessary okay inti.
So the minyano fine new year.
Yes.
Okay. Now method mo kwa
okay.
They produce.
Okay.
Okay, ebine your quality method. Of course.
Where that?
Where of course.
That is like
where ashtray. What the it me for light on it.
Ni abefe bia.
Yeah. We're rolling.
Okay.
Yeah, prepared. Yeah.
Who piece aka na o dey actually. Oh, okay.
That's fine.
Okay, nice.
That's fine. So where ashtray.
Okay.
Now you're throwing. Hey, wire machine so.
Me say where you want?
Water so yes man.
But fashion man why?
So mama demonstrate
more powerful. We are here. This is content media. This is Mampong. So me catch you Mampong. There is a whole lot. Oh Mampong. What you say? I don't know what do man what they are doing. We are here. We are making sure say everything Mampong. You best spread the Mampong globally. So the necessary help. I will say nipa nya Mampong. Yeah, now what you say? So let's go. Let's go through the process.
So. Potter's field.
Okay.
So me na me a porter no.
Okay.
Now this field. Yes.
Okay.
So Potter's field.
Very well.
So one over for me the upe
on the wheel no.
On the wheel. Until no the machine here na say obetwa no na o wire. There was a
okay.
Flower vase.
Okay.
Small vase.
Okay.
Any idea now?
Okay.
So with the help of water, the technique.
Wow. I didn't know me and I say me and
so the mechanic to control. When I was at control clean.
Hey. Okay. Are you watching what I'm watching right now? Whoa!
You are a creator, so you need to create whatever you want to create.
Wow!
Bring it to life.
Auntie, Fan say your handwork. For example, you find something like this. How much would it cost me to get a product like this from you?
Okay.
Price range. Price range.
Okay. Okay, and also depending on
the code now open.
And the code open.
Okay. Because you mbasha fashion Solomon. Where I think lamp with you. And I'm what?
Yeah.
Share. That's it. Very nicely. Wow. You've been in this business how many years?
Okay. This 4 years. I would say 4 years.
4 years. Who's young?
Okay. I call school Kakra. I call Takrani.
Okay.
Formerly Tripoli.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uko Pauline na uko siawe.
Yes, ma'am.
Uko classroom and watch what in a classroom. Tina fan as go siawe.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. Mami sao. Obi be elefe. Is said Juma way so profitable one.
Oh yeah, sure. Very profitable, but time. Time. A process.
Okay.
So, I say, who achieve this worker. I would say, like, we started for 1 at the port.
To me start to me go.
Yeah, to me
okay.
Process. I will train now the corner. And now, every mouth. Okay. If my way you want to rush it, I will trade you, ma.
Okay.
I will trade you, ma.
But also, we should be among country bank for some run on me. No yabotre. On yabotre them. We pa. It be it, say, Osha among country. Okay. Oh, nice. Inti, say, obit so opposite, said my way. Minimum. How long would it take? Someone say, Obisunya said Mau.
Okay. Nice question. But and also depended on the panel so how well in a person Ocean interest because echo school no me de make class no example.
Okay.
After school no nipa 2 pena is a practice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Nipa 2 pena practice is there cannot be a
Akuapem baby afa. Okay, see obi hwe video na or the passion. I can come no this thing I want to learn it. How long will it take someone to learn it? Say okay say na oba won chenga bisua adwuma. How long will it take someone to be able to learn?
I would say at least 3 months.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Or
you're smarter.
Yes, man.
Okay.
Smart for there. I would say 2 months. But me now, start experience will be by 2 months. Now, especially here. Especially here.
Okay.
So yes. Say only bad, only smarter.
Move come. Yeah.
Normal, like me, I don't have to easy that way.
But when you man Casano. Yes, okay. Well, Misha Senia, when you're on Tobu, I see I don't send them when you're better the papa. Oh, that you may want to be as a Pachamam Gasma say now. And make us near better that as a version here. Sanity. You eat. How many people have you trained?
Okay. So far, like I said, for 2.
Okay. We're training for 2. As you see, I know they are into it.
Okay, so back on the I said like over 2 times more now. Or buy. But I'm in Yahweh, but it's or UK.
Okay.
I was say into a cotton machine in the Franco.
Wow. Or the UK.
Or practice.
Oh. I had it. Okay, say in case Obi person frail. order bibi ana say wo ye bibi man na no ba be hwe ha wo telephone number bia wo social media handles so betum bia to go amayen ana obi hwe we chikwa wa hu achikwa.
Okay, so this year I need the telephone number no no kwana
we use
yeah offer me.
Okay,
I sound so WhatsApp.
Okay,
the offer me
okay, into your number no.
Okay, number 0262
49 25 60. Pacho bobi man 0262 49 25 60. Okay, yo yanko nice man we nchen na yanko hwe de yakoso. Hello sweet Mati.
Hello.
Na bia boko. Na then I
oh, Sisi I may prefer quotes.
okay. I think when were the beats?
When were the beats?
How long have you been doing this?
A month and a half.
A month and a half.
Yes.
In TCC, I no say. What are some of the things you can beat your chest and say yes, I can do A, I can do B, I can do C.
I'm actually an artist, and to me, interest in painting.
Okay.
Painting,
okay.
Me developing this one to attach into.
Oh, okay.
These are all projects I started with.
Okay.
Yeah. And you're finished.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. Into
beat my chest and I can do a couple of things.
Oh, okay. Into I want you to say something to your age mates, your gender, and the youth in a whole about say Juma we say obo interest should that person follow the interest and enya kabo and I say so no be share Juma we was so is there hope for the future? Okay.
Even to be a lawyer, doctor, and no cry be a cabo, obey gain, obey Lucy.
Yes.
But we said your kind of interest, passion.
Okay.
Maybe a business student.
Okay.
But then I developed this interest.
Okay.
And so far no, it's going on. And she say, Obia, I feel now we a different thing you want to. Obey to me. I develop interest. No, while to me make it ceramic bowls.
Okay.
A bit save cost.
Yes.
Until aside everything, you know. Now so you into person who's up say, well, bit me about.
Boss.
So like schools, you know, in Colano around like on my baby.
Okay.
Like more interest, you know. To so smiles.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
so
wow.
Say, like who's any man.
Yeah, it's ube who are necessary kwa ho near the but to be able to see the thing being done from scratch and things.
Yeah. Sure. So Colano, about we need it.
Okay. Now me paintings do hana. And paintings where Henansan. These paintings.
Yeah.
Is it we away your painting?
Yeah, painting.
Okay.
Sculpture.
Okay, sculpture work, yes. And being a one, okay. Okay, nice. Nti, yeah, that's it. Continue, yeah, that's it.
Sure.
At the right time, no. You know, say Moabeba help will come. Yeah, that's a part. Nti, yeah, damase. Mo joining share young from start to finish. Yeah, damase. Yeah, that young brown. So I say Martin. So yeah, then I say. In fact, look at this place. This whole places. Yes. Nti, bra. Number no say what say. For number, not free. Make your orders. If not for anything, let Mampong grow.